Setting up the purl is easy. Here are all the pieces that come with your purl. First, you'll start by building the vertical support bars. By hand, attach the 4 screws to the bottom of the stabilizer feet and vertical support bar. Once they're in, use the torque tool to finish tightening the screws. Stand the post upright. Remove the screw at the top of the vertical support bar. Slide the bars together and use the torque tool to tighten the screw back in place. Now, repeat that process and you've got your vertical support bars. Next, you're going to build the horizontal support bars. Find the bar with the horizontal bar connector and remove the bottom screw. Slide the bars together to line up the hole. Put the screw back in place and tighten. Repeat this process 3 more times. 2 of these bars will be used for the fabric print, while the other 2 will be used for the puck lighting system. Next, you're going to attach the fabric print. Take the fabric out of the bag. Find the bottom of the graphic. Using the silicone edging, slide it through the track of the horizontal support bar. Use your hand to help feed the fabric through until it reaches the end of the track. Next, you'll attach the fabric print to the vertical bars. Lay 2 vertical bars down parallel to each other. Starting with one side, take the bottom horizontal bar with the fabric print attached and slide it into the vertical bar's track. Use your hands to guide the bar and fabric down, trying to keep both sides even as you work your way towards the bottom. Now you'll attach the top horizontal support bar. Using the silicone edging, slide the bar down the top of the fabric print. Take the remaining metal brackets and slide them into the track of the top horizontal support bar. Spin clockwise to tighten the brackets in place, and then attach to vertical bars. Using the torque tool, tighten all 4 screws at the top and bottom. You'll now start building the puck lighting system. Locate the 2 vertical post toppers for the puck lighting system. Take one of the posts and remove the screw at the bottom. Slide the post into the vertical support bar. Using the torque tool, tighten the screw. Repeat this on the other side. Take one of the outer light panels, line it up with the top horizontal support bar, and place it into the track of the vertical support bar. Tighten the screw. Locate a horizontal support bar. Place it into the track of the outer light panel and tighten the screw. Slide the center light panels through the track of the horizontal support bar. Take the remaining horizontal support bar and slide it down the center light panels as shown here. Once attached, tighten the screw using the torque tool. Find the remaining outer light panel. Place it into the track of the vertical support bar and tighten the screw. Now, adjust the horizontal support bar you just installed so it fits into the outer panel. tighten the 2 screws. Next, you'll install the header plex pieces. Stand the pearl up. They will pop into the brackets like so. Hand tighten the screws in the back. Now you'll be installing the fabric wings. Take one of the fabric wings and find the bottom silicone edge. Thread it through the bottom horizontal wing bar, which is shorter than the top bar. Starting with one side, slide the bottom wing bar and silicone edge down the vertical bar's track. Once you've reached the bottom, thread the top horizontal wing bar down the silicone edging and attach to the vertical support bar. Using the torque tool, tighten the screw at the top and bottom. Repeat this process on the other side. Your pearl is now built.